Hey folks, welcome to Green Hat Gardening. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We'll be planting something on that post, but not really planting, I don't suppose. We have joined CoCoRaHS, which is the Community Collaborative Rain, Hail, and Snow Network that's kind of set up by NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. It's sort of a system or a series of volunteers that record daily rainfall data. And what better spot than here in Elkmont, Alabama, where there's not an observing station. So we'll be filling a hole and filling a gap. And today we're going to install the rain gauge and get this set up. Our first project or goal is to find a spot to get this up and get this level. What you really need is this 6 inches above the poster, so it says. We're probably going to go for something about like this, I think. And it's not going to be perfectly level, but it may be close, and that's about as good as we're going to get, I think. Just right up at the top of that post. What I'll do is take my level and actually level it out. I realize that's not going to actually go on the poster at all. Those two screws may have to be it. I think this screw isn't going to hold. That's just going to be superficial, but that seems tight enough. And now we can get. This has got an inner and outer cylinder, and what I'll have to do whenever I water the garden with the sprinkler, I'll just put a bag on top of this so I don't get an inaccurate reading. This sits in the center of that, and this itself goes up to an inch. And so this fills up and then it overflows. So you got an inch solid here. You empty that, and then you will use this funnel and pour the other into that. Set up our little rain gauge here. Go in. There we go. Put that in the center. This sits down flat over top of it. It's got some debris in it, but I'm not concerned. And so then, last but not least, is putting up our CoCoRaHS station sign. And I see I've got this set up like that. Be right back. Okay, we're back. That's basically what I'm going to do here because I want this off. Yeah. Get that back off a little bit. And you have to work with this thumb. And so we're going to put up our sign. It's a rather large sign. I think it looks cool. Gotta let people know we're official here. There we go. We are set up. This is our official CoCoRaHS weather station. Pretty cool. So until next time, keep digging, keep growing.